Dear friend, how are you? I hope all of you are good. I'm sorry because after so many days I'm here to make videos because I was so much busy because of my some personal stuff, personal work. So I hope from now I can make videos regularly for you. Actually, I have a WordPress website, I mean blog site. I write article there like technology related tutorials, tech news, electronics gadget review, and make money online post. That's kind of things I write there. So actually in this video I'll show you how to make content, how to write content for your personal blog site. And this is the video for those people who have a blog site or personal website, who want to write article, who want to get monetized, I mean get AdSense approved by writing article there. So I'll let you know some basic things. I'll let you introduce with some basic website. By using those website or tools, you can write article for your website, and it will be more handy. It will save you time, and of course you will be benefited by those things. So without further talking, let's get started. Number one, you can use grammarly.com. You can use their website. You can write your article. Sometimes we need to copy others article, but if you copy indirectly from other website and if you post it on your WordPress site, you will not be able to approve AdSense, because AdSense will claim a copyright issue. So that time you need to rewrite your article. You can rewrite it from anywhere, but manually you can do it from grammarly.com. You will find all the errors, grammar errors, and it will correct it for you. I think it is the most advanced way to correct grammar mistake. I basically use it regularly. You can try it. It's one of the best website to write article or to check your grammar errors, mistakes. So you can see here I wrote an article. I just copied it from another website, you can see, and it's showing me some grammar error. So you can correct those errors just from this website. Just click on the red mark, or you can click it from here. Then it will suggest you once you should to correct it to want. You can see here it will be changed. You can see next one, smartphones, it should be smartphone. Then you can see R, it should be is. All kind of grammar errors, you can correct those things from here. So this is the best way to practice writing here, and this is the best way to get rid of those grammar errors. So not only this, sometimes you need to change your word, because this, you can see, this is the content, this is the post I have collected, I have just copied from another website. So now if I just write it to my website, I will claim for copyright issue, because I'm not the original owner of this content. This way you will not be able to get approved AdSense on your website, or if you have AdSense approved, you will be banned forever. So from here, all you can do, just suppose you can see lose the word, double click on it, you will get suggestion of some similar word. We can use drop here. You can see, suppose here you can see upgrade, we can use improve. Here you can see manufacturer, we can use companies here. If you change a single word per sentence, you will not be claimed for copyright issue. In that way you can manually change content article. Number two, use Google Docs. Google Docs is one of the best tool I use to write article, because if you write article in your computer, like you can write it in your Microsoft Word or something else, but it's not the best way to practice. Because if you write, suppose you are writing on Microsoft Word and somehow your computer get crashed, or electricity gone, or something else can happen, then you will lose your article. So the best way I think is to write it online, like it will automatically save your article. You can get those articles from any device, like from this computer, from another computer, from your mobile, or anywhere you can get those articles back. Second, Google Docs. This is the best way to write article online. Grammarly.com, you can use it to just correct your grammar mistake, but to write article you can use this Google Docs. Suppose if you want to some single word, you can just click on tools, you can then click on voice typing, just click this icon and say anything. Hey, write a single word for me. You can see within a nanosecond I got my sentence. So by this way you can just type with your voice, and within a few minutes you can write a bunch of page of text here. And not only this, you can just customize your article here. You can like make bullet list from here. You can make anything. You can do anything here. Not only this, suppose in your website you want to there is a word like PayPal and some word like eBay or something like anything, and suppose you want to make it link here. If you double click on it and if you press Ctrl K, or if you just click here, it will suggest you original PayPal website. Double click on it, eBay, you click insert link, and it will automatically suggest you eBay website. So you don't need to find the original address of eBay website. So this is the best way to insert link here. So that's why I like this Google Docs. Number 3, you can use small SEO tools. I know all of you are maybe familiar with those things, so you can check out that website to rewrite your article, to check copyright issue or anything else. It will check those articles for you, and if you have any copyright issue, it will let you know that there is a plagiarism issue. You can see here it's 75% unique because we have changed some word in Grammarly.com. That's why it's 75% unique, but we have not checked, we have not changed all the sentences. That's why it's showing 25%. So you can find the original source where this article were written originally. I mean the main owner of this article. You can see this word. Next, sometimes we need image for our website, for our blog content or article. But if you download an image over the internet, and if you want to reuse those images, then you can get a copyright issue, because the original content owner will claim a copyright issue for your image, for your photo. All you have to do, just you have to edit this image. So you can use remove.bg. It's a great website to remove any image background within just few seconds, and it's very handy. I like it. This is the platform to remove any image or photo background within a nanosecond. It's totally free. You don't need to pay any money for remove background of any image. Suppose in your blog post you need a picture or photo of Google Chrome. You are writing article about Google Chrome, and suppose if you download any photo over the internet like Google Chrome, you can see. Now if you want to use it, you can see here, if you want to use it to your website, you can get banned for using copyright images. All you can do, just you can download it to your website, to your computer, then just click upload image and upload that image. Now just you can see it background removed already. So now you can download it on your computer. Let's open it. Now you can see there is no image background here. So now suppose I'm showing you the most simple way to make banner or image for your website. Now you can open a Microsoft PowerPoint file here. Please wait sometimes. Let's delete all this content. Now let's go to download folder. This is our photo that we have removed background. Just copy it and paste it here. You can see there is no image background here. Now you can make your own image. Just you can insert text or any image here, and finally like save as, click on save as, and on your desktop, yeah, of course, and make JPG format, save it. Now find it from your desktop. Yeah, here you can see this is your photo that you have make as your own way. So now if you upload it on your website, you will not be claimed for copyright issue. So this is the way you can make photo or banner photo for your website. So friends, I have a request. I have a blog site named learningbin.com. please find my website to learn technology related things, like to know tech news, to see make money article, that's kind of things you can find here. So I hope you're gonna visit my website. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to answer your question. And I hope if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates.